Welcome to the second part of the Affiliate Marketing Ready to Earn platform series. Today I'll show you the second way to earn money from affiliate marketing. These platforms are providing you 30% to 50% commission. All you have to do is register on the website, create your affiliate link, and promote your link. If someone purchases from your link, you will get a commission. Today we will discuss about Fiverr. Can you tell me what is Fiverr? Do you have any idea how to make money on Fiverr? Drop your answer in the comment section. Let me explain to you. Fiverr is the world's largest marketplace where you can buy or sell digital products, online courses, and services such as SEO, website development, troubleshooting, etc. Fiverr is the largest digital marketplace for digital marketers, graphic designers, teachers, writers, resume makers, etc. If you know about Fiverr, I bet you only know that thing like you can buy or sell services, but you can also learn new skills on Fiverr. Also there is a Fiverr Pro option, must check it guys. There are numerous commissions plans of Fiverr which are as follow. Fiverr CPA commission. The Fiverr CPA commission depends on the buyer who just purchases a service after joining with your affiliate link. It ranges from $15 to $150 CPA. Fiverr hybrid commission. You will get a fixed commission when your buyer purchases a service and you will get rev share for 12 months. Fiverr business commission, $100 CPA once the account reaches $100 in spend plus 10% rev share for 12 months. Learn from Fiverr. Fiverr platform will give you a 30% commission on every course your students, buyers purchase. And SEO from Fiverr. Fiverr platform will give you a 50% commission of every and SEO Pro plan. Fiverr Pro. All of the Fiverr Pro services gives you $150 when someone purchases a Pro service. How to join the Fiverr affiliate program / Open affiliate.fiverr.com in a web browser. Click on the Join Now button. Fill in the details and the sign-up form. Confirm your Gmail account and verify. They will approve your request. Select the plan which you want to promote. Create a unique affiliate link and share it with your friends or share it on social media such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. The best part is there are 5.5 million users on Fiverr. They operate in more than 150 countries. The ranges of the service are $5 to $1,000 plus. You will find a huge collection of services which you can easily promote and earn money. Always keep this in mind. Your target audience makes you rich. Try to collaborate with people under your niche. Try to find out rich people who buy services and other things frequently. So that is for today. Hope you like the video. Share the video with your friends and loved ones. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and if you have any query ask me in the comment section. See you in the next part of this series. Goodbye, take care.